In this video, we will discuss about the rise and fall of Napoleon, and we would also discuss about the legacy of the French Revolution. This is chapter number 1, History, Standard 9. The rise of Napoleon means Napoleon coming to power, and the fall of Napoleon means the end of Napoleon. Now, rise of Napoleon Bonaparte, he crowned himself as the Emperor of France in 1804. It means Napoleon, he became the King of France in 1804. And when he became the King of France, he started conquering many neighboring European countries. He started attacking many European countries, and he started creating kingdoms, and he started placing the members of his own family as their rulers. So when he became the King of France, when he crowned himself as the Emperor of France in 1804, he started conquering many neighboring European countries and creating kingdoms where he placed the members of his family as the rulers. Napoleon, he saw himself as the modernizer of France. He declared himself as the modernizer of France, means he wanted to modernize Europe. Now he introduced many laws such as the protection of private property and a uniform system of weights and measures provided by the decimal system. Many laws he introduced, and some of the important laws among them was the protection of private property and a uniform system of weights and measurement provided by the decimal system. Many saw Napoleon as a liberator who would bring freedom for the people. Many people, they started seeing Napoleon as a liberator that will bring freedom to the people of France. Now the fall of Napoleon armies came to be viewed everywhere as an invading force, and Napoleon was defeated at the Battle of Waterloo in 1815. So this is the defeat of Napoleon in the Battle of Waterloo in 1815. The legacy of the French Revolution, that is the outcome of the French Revolution. The ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of the French Revolution. So it was the idea of liberty, it was the idea of democratic rights that became the most important legacy of the French Revolution. And these ideas, they spread from France to the rest of Europe during the 19th century. The ideas of liberty, the ideas of democratic republics from France, it spread to the rest of Europe during the 19th century. Colonized people reworked the ideas of freedom from the bondage into their movements to create a sovereign national state. It means that colonized people, they use the French ideas, they use the ideas of liberty and democratic rights in their movements so that they can become a sovereign state, they can become an independent nation. It was Tipu Sultan and Raja Ram Mohan Roy, these were the two Indians who responded to the ideas of revolutionary France. The two types of Indians, the Tipu Sultan and Raja Ram Mohan Roy, they used the ideas, they accepted the ideas of revolutionary France, and they suggested the use of these ideas against the British nation, against the French rule, against the British power in India. So in this video we are covering two questions. The first question is, what do you know about the rise and fall of Napoleon? And the second question is, what is the legacy of the French Revolution? So rise and fall of Napoleon, we are explaining it, we are writing it under two headings. One is the rise of Napoleon and the fall of Napoleon, and then the legacy of the French Revolution, we are writing it in 4 points.